Mcafee knob day. It's like, what time is it? It's 5:53. About to set off into the dark wilderness and hop right up there. It's time to see the Mcafee. I'm so excited. Let's go.
Oh, that's smart, actually.
And that way, if anyone's closing their eyes,
Yeah.
the cat catch the
She was
ball.
like, yeah, I do a video and then a screenshot.
Oh, yeah.
That's smart. It's a weird glare from the sun.
What? Can't imagine that.
Well, no, I block it with it.
I know. Yeah, yay.
Okay.
Hey, I always say yay. Oh my, that's the dangle feet ledge. There's a rock over here to dangle from. Yeah, it's going. Please be careful. Oh my god. Okay, wait, stay there. Killing it, killing it. Oh, frick. Oh my god. It's really far down. This is cool. All right. That was so much fun. Oh, that was fantastic. Everything I hoped it would be. I'm gonna show you guys my favorite pictures. I started to do a time lapse, then my phone fell over right as the sun popped out. So I was like, oh man, it's kind of ruined. So then I started taking pictures, and it was wonderful. Here we go. Here's my favorite pictures. And also I'm alive and well and down off, so I did not die. Also the fact that I've posted this video, I did not die and fall off the knob. cow. Moo. Moo. Oh, did that work? Oh, you're pooping. You are pooping. Okay, that's what he thinks about me. All right. Yes, food. So excited for food. There's pizza, cheeseburgers. I don't know. We're going to see what's inside. I heard there's definitely pizza. There's like 3 signs for pizza. So that might be an option. Here we go. Yeah, lunch, 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 lunch. Yum. I got a double bacon cheeseburger and some french fries and some snackies. But yeah, I remember when I said I was going to be healthy on this trip. That was a long, long time ago. All right, last up in the Virginia Triple Crown is the Dragon's Tooth. It's another spot with gorgeous views, and this one's a pretty technical climb. Lots of rocks, stuff I gotta grab onto, all that good stuff. The other two weren't really like that, so we'll see what Dragon Tooth is like. So here we go. From creatures that were either underwater or like that no longer exist, like trilobites. Oh, these right here?
My suspicion is that these are all fossils.
That's so cool. You guys see like the etching right there? That's cool. You're so knowledgeable with fun facts.
I like information.
It's riddles. So we gotta go up this. Woo! That's the trail. Ooh, I climbed up this scary thing. But look at this. Oh my gosh. Alright, now to somehow go back down. Oh, that's so scary. Look, that's the bottom. Oh, that's so scary. Camp is 4 miles away. Woohoo! Me and my full belly. I don't think I'm gonna eat dinner tonight. I've been eating all day. Never it was made. 700 miles to Springer! This forest is beautiful. Look at this. Wow. Oh, mother's butt. God. All right, I made it safely to camp. What an awesome day today was. Tomorrow's gonna be a really yucky day, but that's a tomorrow problem. Today was awesome. Gonna sleep real good tonight. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.